how you can force quit frozen apps on your Mac. So if any apps on your Mac are irresponsive, you can force quit them. So all you need to do is to just press on your keyboard Option, Command and Escape at the same time. It's gonna open you force quit applications. So now you have to choose which one you want to force quit. So choose the one which is frozen, for example CapCut, and you can force quit and make sure to finish the process. But keep in mind, obviously, if it's frozen, some changes may not be applied. Also, this force quit applications window you can open by clicking on Apple logo, and here is force quit in case your keyboard is not working. So you can click it and force quit your applications. If your whole Mac is not responding or it's frozen, you have to force quit it with your keyboard. So press and hold the power button at least 10 seconds and it's gonna show you the Apple logo. It's gonna force quit or for restart, and you can actually turn it on again. And that's basically how you can do it. If you have any questions, leave a comment and see you next time.